Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to set the auto off time on a Cuisinart Coffee Center coffee maker. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is the coffee maker that I'm referring to, and setting the auto off time is super duper easy. Now, if you want to know what the auto off time represents and what it does, go ahead and check the user's manual or the owner's manual, because it's going to give you a better idea of what it does than myself explaining it, but I'll show you how to set the time, okay? Really easy, how to set the time for the auto off functionality. So I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer. As you can see right here, we have a knob, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it to the auto off portion, which is over here. So right now it's on this part. I'm going to go to the right to go to the auto off portion, just like that. As you can see, we're on the auto off portion, okay? And you can turn the knob anywhere. So we can go brew, we can go auto on, back to brew, and then one last time we're going to go to auto off, and then that's where we're going to stay. So we're going to go to auto off just like this. Perfect. We are now on the auto off, and that's where we're going to stay. Now basically it's telling me that the auto off functionality is set to 2 hours right now, okay? I can change it up to 4 hours, and anything from 0 all the way up to 4 hours. So to do that, when you're on the auto off section over here, okay, you're going to press and hold down either the hour or the minute until it flashes. So I'm just going to press and hold down the hour, okay? And then as you can see, it's going to flash in a moment. So now it's flashing, and I'm going to set it to, let's say, 2 hours, and we'll do 2 hours and 10 minutes just to keep it simple, okay? And then I'm going to let it stop, and when it stops, it has been set. So now it has been set to 2 hours and 10 minutes. That means that I can go back to any of the other features, right? Any of the other sort of functionalities, and when I go to the auto off, it's going to be set to the time that I just set it to. So I'm going to go to the auto off right now. Just like that, and as you can see, it's set to 2 hours and 10 minutes on the auto off, which is exactly what I set it to. Now we're going to do one more time, but instead of adjusting the minutes, we will adjust the hour. So I'm going to hold down the minute. It doesn't matter which one you hold down, minute or hour, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to hold down the minute. When it's flashing, I can change it, and I'm going to change the hours, 3 hours and 10 minutes, and then it goes to 4 hours, because that's the maximum. If I push hour again, it goes to nothing, all zeros, right? 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. And it only goes up to 4 hours. So if I try to go over, right, I pushed minute and it's staying at 4 hours. It won't go over because 4 hours is the maximum, right? As you can see right there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to bring it to, let's say, like, you know, we'll keep it simple and we'll bring it to like, I don't know, we'll I'm having trouble getting the numbers to go up. Here we go. We'll just set it to 15 minutes to keep it simple. Actually, we'll do 20 minutes. And I think usually that's what I have it set to as far as I remember, 20 minutes. I think that's my usual setting. It depends on your lifestyle and your coffee making routine, but you can set it to whatever you need to set it to. But that's it. That is how to set the auto off time. Really easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here's officially the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.